I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not.
Hey y'all, it's Jalen Simone and welcome back for another video. So today we're going to be doing a Bantu knot out. Last night I washed my hair with the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, and I put in the Jamaican black castor oil, leave-in by SheaMoisture, and a little bit of jojoba oil. And I'm going to be doing these knots using an olive oil wrap and set mousse. So I'm going to undo one of my twists and I'm going to split it into 2. And make sure you detangle it. I'm trying to eliminate using different tools to detangle my hair. So I'm just gonna finger detangle for now.
She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing.
So I'm gonna just use 1 pump of the mousse and I'm gonna apply it all over my hair. Make sure you really get in there. I'm gonna have everything saturated and then I'm gonna start twisting.
Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
So you're gonna get the base of the hair and make a little loop and basically just wrap your strand around that loop. I'm gonna do it a few more times, but yeah, you're gonna just wrap it around and just keep wrapping it until the very end and it should stay secure.
Everything got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, RVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this stick ass like getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. 35, but don't play with me, period. Follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise to God the period. Oh, you know, I fuck with lies and I'm gonna bust.
So I'm doing just the same process. I'm just twisting it all the way at the end. Don't forget to curl the ends. And then I'm gonna grab the root and then just twist my hair all around.
You can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I brought everybody. Smoke guns and covers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar, the filter sun. I broke see his pop by 5,000 months. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and guala and try get it mega buck. See them drip with the nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OTF, still like the new BML. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right or left. And you can't go to car, ain't no key in them. Just put lost in they pockets, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrollers, movie in a prison. Time is 50, tiny, rich and mellow. I'ma put the gamut to his empty. The colors, the flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but don't tell me I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, you know, I fuck with lies and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can...
is what it's looking like. You roll out like a little, I cut my hair back here. It's a little rough back here, but I have about, well, I had about 12 twists in my hair, and I kind of just split each one. Going back on my editing, I don't know why my eyes were just twitching like that. I'm not really sure what was going on, but do not mind it. It is so funny. 1 into 2. So I have maybe about 20 right now. So this is pretty fast drying. So it's about 1:30 right now. I think I'm gonna wait maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours, let it air dry. You can speed up the process with like a blow dryer, of course, but all right, so it's been about an hour and 15 minutes. It's like 2:40 something right now. I'm actually about to head out, but my hair does feel a little bit still wet, so it does take a little bit of time. So I'm gonna try to get my diffuser and blow dry my hair right now. All right, I just have my regular blow dryer, and I bought this like attachment. I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna get a little bit of this jojoba oil, put like a little bit of my hands, rub it through, and we're gonna start taking this out. You're gonna just wanna like kind of untwist it. And then undo this. You can see it's nice and light. Look at that, you're gonna just separate it. Touching it, it is a little wet, but it's okay. So you might want to blow dry a little bit longer, but I gotta go.
You make me so. You make me so.
there, and then a pin right here. Oops. So this is a little more fluffy than I kind of had in mind, but it's still cute. I decided to do a side part. Typically, it comes out way more defined, and it's probably because it was still a little wet. But that's okay. Cute regardless. But yeah, I just put a little bit of essential on. So this is how my hair is looking. This is what it's giving. Here is a 360 on how it looks. Yeah, I think it's cute. My hair is definitely growing. Okay. But thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.